Okay, today I'm going to be reviewing this C3 ESP Pro coffee grinder. As you can see, it looks very nice, it feels very sturdy, and is very durable. So the first thing you would want to do is remove the top. And that just pops off. And then you would add your beans. Perfect, and the top just pops right back on. And you extend the top. You can pull back on the handle in the middle to fold it down. You can pull it back up to do your grinding. And you just grind away. Now, as you can see, there is no way to tell how many coffee beans you have ground, so you do have to check as you go. But it is a nice, firm grinder. Go ahead. The bottom screws off, and that's where you have your coffee grounds. At the bottom is where you would set the coarseness of your grinder so that you can adjust it to a finer bean or a more coarse bean, and that adjusts rather easily and nicely, so you can set it to whatever level you want. All in all, it is a very nice grinder. Very pleased. With the caveat that you can't see how many grounds you have and how it's going. But it is, as I said, very durable and very easy to use.